these words with your English voice. Symphony, a long piece of music that normally has 4 parts, which is played by an orchestra. His greatest ambition is to play Beethoven's Symphony No. 9. Quartet, a group of 4 people who either play music or sing together. A string quartet was playing Mozart. Cello, a wooden instrument with 4 strings which is played by moving a bow across the strings. Here is an example picture. Track, one of several individual songs or pieces of music on a recording. Let's hear the number 1 track of her new album. Score, a written version of music showing what should be played or sung. The music students are learning to score the piece for a cello. Amplify, to make something louder. Metal can amplify sounds. Rhythm, the strong pattern of sounds that are used in music, poetry, or dance. I can't dance to music without a good rhythm. Remix, to use a machine to change or improve an existing musical recording in order to make a new one. I decided to remix a few songs from my solo albums. Tempo, the speed at which a piece of music is played. The song has a slow tempo.